In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect an Ethernet or LAN cable to a PS5 for way faster internet. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, an Ethernet obviously gives you more stable connection, lower latency, and faster and more consistent download speed, and if you do play any multiplayer game, this is highly recommended. Essentially, all you need to do is physically connect the cable, so plug one end into your router or power line adapter, and plug the other end into the LAN port on the back of your PS5. There's going to be an HDMI port near the bottom. The Ethernet or LAN port is located right next to that HDMI port, and as soon as it's plugged in, you'll be ready to set it up in settings. Now, essentially, just go back on your PS5, go up to the top right corner and select the settings here, just like so, and go to the network tab. Just make sure that connect to the internet is actually turned on, just like so, and then select set up internet connection. If you scroll down a little bit on here, you're going to have the option to set up LAN. I actually already have mine set up. Select it though, and it's going to detect your wired LAN. And as long as that cable is properly connected, your PS5 will detect it automatically. From here, all you have to do is just back out and you're good to go. If your router is too far away, I'd recommend using a power line adapter, but that's really the only tip that you need. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.